Onto the sort of goals side of stuff. My goals for the year, number one would be on this channel to reach 50,000 subscribers. I believe this is a bit big target because we're on 18 now, but I feel like it's a good target to have. I feel like getting the word out of all these tools, apps and resources and hitting 50,000 would be an amazing achievement. And of course for the community it'd be amazing because you'd have like 4 times the amount of people. Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. It's Francesco again. This is a special milestone video. We have hit 50,000 subscribers on YouTube, which is absolutely amazing. It was, as I just showed from the clip before, the end of year goal for last year. So it's really moved on. We have obviously surpassed it and have a month to spare. So it's going to be amazing to have even more people being added to the community. Now, as a special thank you, we traditionally do giveaways. So we will be doing a giveaway in today's video. We're gonna have 5 winners, so let's dive into today's video. So guys, just before we dive in, just a personal thank you from me. Obviously I've hosted this channel for a fair while now, 4 years it's been, 4.5 years. Wow, that's a long time, but it's been an absolute honor. I've made lots of different friends from this community, and it's so great for people to be chatting about software and how it's helping them, how they can improve their use of software, and really grow our resource set too. Because I think in the next year, in 2019, I think that's when we're going to flourish as a community, and we're going to really push forward. So I'll share a few things that we have planned near the end of this video. Anyway, we always do giveaways on big subscriber numbers. So we'll do one at 50K, hopefully at 100K, a nicer, bigger one than that. We're going to have 5 winners in today's video. So 5 winners will be announced in 2 weeks. And in order to win this, you need to like today's video, you need to be subscribed, and you need to comment below. For extra bonus entries, you can share the YouTube channel URL to social media, leaving a little message about how you found it beneficial. And for another bonus one, you can sign up to the new newsletter too, which is a monthly newsletter with above a 65% open rate, which is amazing. People love it, which is good news. So just to be clear, there will be 5 winners overall, and you will all get one of these items that we're going to go through now. So we have a Todoist 1-year code, which each 5 of the people will get. TickTick 6-month code, Fantastical iOS access, Things 3 iOS access, 1 month of Evernote Premium, Notion for life on 1 workspace, which is amazing, Trello 6-month gold, Missive 6 months, which is an email application, Bear for 6 months, which is amazing, Bear Pro, and Sanebox for a year. So there's a big package here. Along with that, you will also get all of the Skillshare classes that we produce here at Keep Productive. So guys, in order to win, remember you have to like this video, be subscribed, comment below, and for bonus entries, join up to the monthly newsletter below, as well as share the URL and share how the Keep Productive channel has benefited you on social media. So guys, in terms of next steps for 2019, our goal is going to be 150,000 subscribers. Again, we're not really going to be focusing too much on YouTube production. We're going to be creating more Skillshare classes, more Udemy, hopefully a teachable class, as well as more resources like the PDF, which we launched. In a week, it got 1,000 downloads, which is amazing. So obviously sounds like something that you guys benefit from. And also we're going to be expanding the Facebook groups too. So 2019 is going to be a pretty exciting year. Anyway guys, thank you so much for being a Keep Productive subscriber. I will see you guys in tomorrow's video, but I will also see you guys in 2 weeks to announce the winner of the 50K giveaway. Anyway guys, make sure to have a great week, keep productive, and we'll see you guys very, very soon. Cheers.